Namaste students, my name is Ankita and this is Shrikar. So in today's session we will start off with a Ganesha song. It's a very short and sweet composition.
This song is based on the raga Hamsadvani,
Okay.
and the Arohana and Avarohana for Hamsadvani is as such. Sa ri ga pa ni sa.
Sa ri ga pa ni sa.
Sa ni pa ga ri sa.
Sa ni pa ga ri sa.
Sa ri ga pa ni sa.
Sa ri ga pa ni sa.
Sa ni pa ga ri sa.
Sa ni pa ga ri sa.
So that is the Arohana and Avarohana for the raga Hamsadvani. Arohana means going up, Avarohana means coming down in a scale. So this song is called Parvati Nandana, and it has no swaras as such, but we are going to start directly with the lyrics. Okay? Parvati Nandana
Parvati Nandana
Bala Ganesha
Bala Ganesha
Parvati Nandana
Parvati Nandana
Bala Ganesha
Bala Ganesha
Vigna Vinasha
Vigna Vinasha
Varada Ganesha
Varada Ganesha
Vigna Vinasha
Vigna Vinasha
Varada Ganesha
Varada Ganesha
Suramuni Vandita
Suramuni Vandita
Sumukha Ganesha
Sumukha Ganesha
Suramuni Vandita
Suramuni Vandita
Sumukha Ganesha
Sumukha Ganesha
Sundara Vadana
Sundara Vadana
Jnana Ganesha
Jnana Ganesha
Sundara Vadana
Sundara Vadana
Jnana Ganesha
Jnana Ganesha
Parvati Nandana
Parvati Nandana
Bala Ganesha.
Bala Ganesha.
So this song is again in the raga
Hamsadvani.
Hamsadvani.